1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 5, 6, 7, start the basic. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, cross body. 1, 2, back charge, both hands, 5, 6, 7. So I'm going to be giving her a cope on 1, but I'm more likely prepping her. So left arm is going over the head, prep her on 1. So now I'm going to start unwinding on 2, 3 with both hands over the head. 2, 3. On 5, my right hand is going to go inside the elbow. 5. I'm going to bring the arm down on 6. I'm going to flick it on 7. My left hand is going to start catching it. Make sure that it doesn't go too high. So now on 1, I'm going to catch the hand 1. Flick it underneath her left elbow as I set to the side on 2. Here, I'm switching the hand left to left, right to right. So now we're going to go back to back on 3. Finish the basic 5, 6, 7. Turn her on 3. 1, 2. Right arm stays low, left arm goes over the head. 3. I'm going to do a little back salsa step. 5. Keeping the arms lower than her shoulders on 6, 7. So now I want to be starting to go to the left side of the slot. The left arm is going to be going behind the back as the right arm starts turning her on 1. 1. Keep bringing her across the slot on 2. 3. Catch the left hand again. 5. Step with her on 6, 7. 7. We're already starting to pull because on 1, the right hand's going over the head to turn her. 1. We're going to step to the other side of her on 2. Step back to make her cross over. 3. Step in front. 5, 6, 7. Cross body. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7.
5, 6, 7. Start the basic. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Cross body. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Now we're going to turn halfway and do a prep on and 1. So all the way to the right foot. Then we're going to turn to the right on 2, 3, back on 5, 6, 7. Now we're going to step in place on 1, step to the side on 2, turn to the right on 3, back on 5, 6, 7. We're going to do an inside turn. 1, 2, turn 3, 5, check forward on 6, back on 7. Now we're going to do half a turn to the right on 1. We're going to keep turning to the right on 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Now we're going to turn to the left right away on 1, 2, cross in front 3 as we start back going back on 5, 6, 7, cross body 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7.
What's up guys, it's Scott from Casa Salsa. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. We hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you click the subscribe button right here so you're able to stay updated with all of our videos to come. And also make sure you check out our website in the description below so you can have more access to exclusive content and even take a live class with us. See you there.